I am Professor Dr. Sachidanand Prasad, Head of the Department of Chemistry, PNK College Achua, Paliganj, Patna. Today my topic is coordination chemistry. In this topic, I explain the different terms used in coordinate compounds. This topic is useful for IUC and BSc students and other persons who want to improve knowledge in the field of chemistry. If useful to you, please touch the buttons, subscribe, like, and also may share to other friends and relatives. Coordination chemistry. Some important terms of coordination compounds. Number 1. Simple salts. An acid reacts with an alkali to give salt after the neutralization takes place. Salts give positive and negative ions when dissolved in water. For example, NaCl, Na2SO4, CaCl2, Na2CO3 TCr salts. Point 2. Molecular or addition compounds. When solutions containing two or more salts in stoichiometric proportions are allowed to evaporate, molecular or addition compounds is obtained. Molecular compounds are of two types depending on their behavior and aqueous solution. Double salts. These are crystalline substances and completely ionized when dissolved in water. For example, FeSO4, NH4 6H2O, Morse salt in aqueous solution gives Fe2 plus ion plus 2NH4 plus ion plus 2SO4 minus ion plus 6H2O. Another example, K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole 3, 24H2O alum. In aqueous solution gives 2K plus ion plus 2Al, 3 plus ion plus 4SO4 minus ion and 24H2O. In aqueous solution, they give the test of all their constituent ions as given above examples. Point 2. Coordination or complex compounds. Compounds formed by mixing two or more aqueous solution of simple salts which lose their identity of simple individual compounds is called coordination compounds. For example, aqueous solution of FeCN whole 2 and KCN form a complex compound K4FeCN6 which gives two ions K plus and FeCN6 4 minus ion when dissolved in water. 4KCnAq plus FeCN whole 2AQ arrow K4FeCN6 complex compound on dissolved in water K4FeCN6AQ coordination compound arrow K4 4K plus FeCN6 4 minus ion complex ion. Ligands. The neutral molecules or ions which are attached with the central metal ion are called ligands. For example, in the complex ion FeCN6 4 minus ion 6 Cn minus ions are ligands. 4. Coordination number. Cn. Total number of atoms of ligands that can coordinate to the central metal atom or ion is called coordination number Cn. For example, in FeCN6 4 minus ion 6 is coordination number of metal Fe ion 2 plus ion. Point 5. Counter ion. The ions which attached to complex ion for neutralization of charge on complex ion are called counter ion. For example, in K4Fe6, K plus ion is counter ion, and in CONH3 whole 6Cl3 Cl minus ion is counter ion. Point 6. Oxidation number of central atom. Primary valency of central atom is called an oxidation number. For example, in CONH3 whole 6 Cl3, oxidation number of central metal atom is +3. 7 point. Homoleptic complexes. In complexes in which a metal is bonded to only one kind of ligand are called homoleptic. For example, CONH3 whole 6 3 plus ion contains only one type of ligand NH3. Point 8. Heteroleptic complexes. The complexes in which a metal is bonded with more than one kind on ligand are called heteroleptic complexes. For example, in CONH3 whole 5Cl 2 plus 3 plus ion are called heteroleptic complexes because in this complex two type of ligands Cl minus and NH4 plus NH3 are present. Point 9. Coordination polyhedron. The special arrangement of the ligand atoms which are directly attached to the central atom or ion defined as coordination polyhedron about central atom. The most common coordination polyhedra are octahedral, tetrahedral, square planar, trigonal, bipyramidal and square pyramidal.